Most people think the secret to investing is finding the next big stock. Warren Buffett believes that's the wrong question. His number one investing rule is surprisingly simple: never lose money. It sounds impossible, but Buffett isn't talking about avoiding every market decline. He's talking about protecting your capital by refusing to make bad investments in the first place. Before Buffett buys a single share, he asks one question: do I truly understand this business? If the answer is no, he walks away. He doesn't chase trends, hot stocks, or market hype. Instead, he waits patiently for companies with strong fundamentals, reliable earnings, and a durable competitive advantage. Then he buys them at a reasonable price and holds them for years. This approach may seem slow, but it has helped Buffett build one of the greatest investment records in history. While many investors constantly buy and sell, Buffett focuses on avoiding unnecessary risks. He knows that recovering from a major loss takes far more effort than earning a steady gain. Think of investing like crossing a river. A wise person doesn't look for the fastest path, they look for the safest bridge. Buffett applies the same logic to every investment decision. Protect your money first, and profits have a chance to follow. The biggest lesson isn't about picking perfect stocks. It's about making fewer, smarter decisions and letting time work in your favor. Patience, discipline, and understanding will almost always outperform emotion and speculation. Rule number 1: never lose money. Warren Buffett.